Aerospace Engineering and Operations Technicians. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Aerospace Engineering and Operations Technicians operate and maintain equipment used in developing, testing, producing, and sustaining new aircraft and spacecraft. Work environment. Aerospace Engineering and Operations Technicians works generally in production or industrial installations, laboratories, and offices. Some of them may be exposed to hazards in equipment or toxic materials, but there are rare incidents as long as appropriate procedures are taken. How to become one. Many employers prefer to recruit aerospace engineering and operation technicians who have graduated from engineering or are educated in computer programming and robot engineering. Prospective technicians also may earn certificates or diplomas offered by vocational or technical schools. Some aerospace engineering and operations technicians must have security clearances to work on projects related to national defense. Salary. The median annual wage for aerospace engineering and operations technicians is $66,020. Job outlook. In the next 10 years, the employment of aerospace technologists and operational technicians is estimated to grow 7% faster than the average in all jobs. Many employees in this occupation work on national defense projects that therefore require safety clearances. Certification. Voluntary certification available. Key skills. Detail-oriented and have mechanical, critical thinking, math, interpersonal, and communication skills. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.